Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you how I create my YouTube shorts using only my iPhone and how you can create it too. Let's go. While I'm drawing, I use my left hand with my cell phone to record bits from my drawing while I'm drawing it and create multiple videos while I'm creating my piece. Try to focus on the tiny details or the pieces of your drawing while you are recording these clips or shorts because it is more engaging and more interesting to record these tiny details while you are creating them. It's important to create various shorts while drawing, and after you record all these videos you can edit it later. I am using an app called Video Leap. You can download it from your app store. You can check the link in my description box to download the app if you want. And here's how I used Video Leap app to edit my videos. First of all, I import all the videos I want to work on in the app itself, and after importing all the clips I wanted, I start editing it. It has like free version and premium version. I'm using only the free version because I'm creating shorts. In the free version you can create under 1 minute video, and my shorts doesn't exceed this limit, so I only using the free version for my shorts. Let me show you how I edited and created shorts for Anya. You can manage the speed of your clip if you click here on this button. And also you can create a lot of transitions only by clicking on this white button, and you have multiple transitions. I prefer using like zoom out or zoom in, and you can manage the time of the transition too. And I keep editing my shorts and clips from here and there, adding some transitions, some stickers. You can add some stickers too from the store if you want. All you have to is click the stickers button and start searching for whatever sticker you want. For this video I just searched for Anya to add like little cute sticker here and start editing it. In the free version you have only 2 layers to work on it, and if you want to go premium you can give it a try. I didn't use it because I don't need it. Only I have to is like editing my videos and speeding them up and add some stickers. It's like I don't have a lot of things to do work with it. After finishing editing my shorts, all I have to do is like export it with my phone. You can export it from the export button in the right top corner of the screen, and you will encounter export settings. Normally it's like 720 pixel and 30 frames per second, but I change it. I prefer to make it like 4K and 60 frames per second, and all I have to do is like save it on my cell phone. Don't close Video Leap or lock your device until the video is exported. And here's the final results. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.